In Sleepy Hollow, a dragon's snores rumbled through the cosy village at dusk. Villagers whispered, wondering how to soothe the slumbering giant's mighty snores. They pondered remedies, gathering under the lantern's gentle glow and sharing ideas. Then an old wise woman spoke, suggesting a lullaby to calm the dragon. As they prepared, the villagers gathered beautiful flowers to weave into melodies. With melodies crafted, they gathered, ready to serenade their sleepy friend. The lullaby began softly, floating through the cool night air like a gentle breeze. Slowly, the dragon's snores softened, harmonizing with the villagers' soothing voices. United in their victory, the village cherished the dragon's peaceful night until dawn.